to get over to Elena's shop next. You're welcome, Shayla. And we've got St. Petersburg Collections exclusive handcrafted gifts. Hey there, Elena. Elena, I'm not sure. Hopefully I got it right. But you've got a cool shop here out of New York. Let's see, hand blown glass figurines. We got snakes at $12.50 each set, snakes set of 2 pieces. So all your listing title, you really want to use that exclusively for keywords. So details like this at $12.50 each shouldn't be there. Set snakes, set of 2 pieces at $25. All those details don't need to be there. You only want to be using keywords that people are going to be searching for. So for this one, I would do like a glass, snake, hand blown glass, snakes, and keywords like that exclusively. Let's see here. I like this one. You've got a nice little ruler here showing it off. Now, I don't know if you added a filter on these, but they've just got like kind of an interesting, I mean, I guess it's kind of cool, but it's like a yellowish kind of, maybe you just have like a really specific light on these ones. It definitely has its own look. I would say I would think it would be better if they were in a brighter box, but it kind of has its own aesthetic with this very warm colored lighting that you have going on with this one. But my biggest suggestion would just be to modify the keywords. And I would do hand-blown glass snakes, small glass snakes, hand-blown art, glass art, and some keywords like that. And yeah, it looks like you kind of got the same aesthetic going on for just about all of your products here with this warm, yeah, the color reminds me of sand. Same on this one. Reptile, glass art, glass figurines. So let's go ahead. I would do reptile, glass art, glass figurines, glass art, blown glass art. And some of these other different keywords, just make them a little bit shorter, and you can go ahead and fill them in with commas to kind of separate them. But again, I would remove at $12.50 each, set of 2 pieces at $25, because it's not really helping you out there. This photo I like because this one really is bright and it shows them off really nicely. And okay, so I see lizard times 2, land turtle, or 1. Hold on, I spilled something over here, people, so I just gotta wipe it off of my desk here so it doesn't stain it. You gotta I would also go ahead and use some of the other keywords, turtle, lizard, you know, because if that's what you got here, you got a turtle, you got a lizard, you can pack in those keywords. So my main suggestion for your shop, Elena, looks like you really have a lot of products. You've got a lot of photos. I would just recommend putting in more keywords into them that are specific. This one right here, we've got Russian wooden hand carved and hand painted Santa ornament, wooden handmade Santa ornament. So that one actually has pretty good keywords right there. Russian wooden hand carved. But I think I would put hand painted Santa ornament as my #1 keyword on that one. And because this one right here, Russian wooden hand carved, it's missing the punchline, you know? That by itself doesn't really mean anything. It needs to have ornament, Santa, figurine, or something like that. This one has it all. Hand painted Santa ornament, wooden handmade Santa ornament. So what I would really recommend you check out is our keyword workshop where we walk through how to pick the best keywords, and I'll find you a link for that right here. If we go to the live training workshop, how to optimize your Etsy shop for search. This is a really great training workshop, everybody. I'm going to paste a link over here for you guys. Check this one out. We're going to talk about how to find the best keywords for your Etsy listings, how to find keywords that match up to your products. And that'd be my big suggestion for you, Lena, is to go out there and get the better keywords, because you've got a lot of products on there, and finding the right keywords is going to help you get in front of the right people.